Start. It gives me great pleasure to take part in the celebrations of your veterinary college. This college is known to me for a long time. As I come from a peasant's family, the subject of welfare of animals is very dear to me. I always take keen interest in the subject. Therefore, I readily accepted your invitation to visit this leading institution of the country. I know that from very small beginnings, this college has in the past 75 years grown considerably in size and nature. I am glad that it has attained an important position as a center of brilliant academic excellence in the veterinary field. Over the years, this college has kept up its rightful place as one of the best institutions in the country. We all know that this country possesses huge cattle and buffalo population. As a matter of fact, our cattle population is about one-sixth of the world cattle population. So, they hold a key position in our national life. The welfare of animals is a tradition which we have inherited from our ancestors. The country's requirements of milk and milk products are increasing along with the growing human population. If the entire population is to be supplied with good quality milk, it is very essential that we should possess healthy cows and buffaloes. So, all possible steps should be taken to see that the health of the cattle is well maintained. Our country, as you know, has a huge population. The great majority of people live in the rural areas under poverty conditions. We are now engaged in the development of the country with the aim of attaining economic growth with social justice. We have to remove poverty and raise the standard of living of the people. One way to raise the income of the large number of people living in villages is by improving the animal husbandry. If they are provided with healthy cattle, they can raise their income by utilizing the products of the cows and buffaloes. We should be grateful to our farmers. By their hard labor, they have been able to raise the agricultural production to feed the teeming millions living in this country. The cattle wealth of the country has played a great role in the achievements made in the agriculture front. In spite of the use of machines, the role played by the animals in the country cannot be ignored by anyone. In this connection, I feel that it is my duty to draw your attention to the fact that the mere increase in the number of cattle is not sufficient. You should take effective steps to see that the health of the cattle is very much improved. For instance, a cow should be made to yield a substantial quantity of milk. A buffalo should be made to work harder and for longer number of hours. With these words, I inaugurate the Platinum Jubilee celebrations of this college. I wish you success in your endeavors. Letter from Radhika Enterprises, Coimbatore to Messrs. Kamal Industries, Krishnagiri. Dear sirs, we are in receipt of your letter of the 10th instant. We are glad to enclose a copy of our catalogue and price list of the items that we are dealing in. We have gone through your letter and we may inform you that except item numbers 4, 5 and 6 in the list that you have sent, it will be possible for us to supply you all the other items within the time schedule mentioned by you. You can go through our catalogue and select the items that you want for the new branch that you propose to open in Salem and send your orders for the same. As for payment, we would like you to send 25% of the cost within 10 days of the receipt of the goods, and the balance can be sent within 2 months thereafter. We allow a commission of 10%. We assure you that you will be able to dispatch the goods before the commencement of the festival. We expect the favor of your orders, which will be executed as promptly as we can. Yours faithfully. Stop.